Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today's Sunday, as you guys know, Mickey Sunday routine. I try as much as possible to pull out questions asked all through the week, and I try to give you an honest reply. But before we begin, porcelain oil set is out. Yes, the combo, the mini combo of our super whitening set is out. But there's a change in the price. Yeah, change in the price. You know, we had to restock. So restocking, getting some of these things out, and we ended up finding ourselves, you know, like this. So we had to put up the value a bit. Yeah, it's still low though. I didn't have to put it like that, because right now things have, you know, skyrocketed. Dollar is like this in trade market in Nigeria right now. Blah, 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 blah. So I had to just put it at that price to actually also favor my customers, because I couldn't take it up. I'm still trying as much as possible to retain the price of porcelain oil. I'm trying. Yes, I'm doing a good job in trying to retain it, because I know so many of my customers are like, Mickey, I beg, no increase this thing because it's working. Don't increase it. I'm trying to retain it, and I'm doing a good job at that. So for the sets, please don't be offended. We added some money. Some of them we added 10,000. Some of them we added 5,000 up on it. Yes, the set, people are buying it like crazy, but it's not because of that I had to increase it, but because of the dollar rate. All right, most of these things we have to get them, you know, buying in dollars. So it took a while before I restocked, if you notice. So we had to get them in order for us to make them. So I beg, make una no vex. All right, but if you look at it, if you try and make estimates of this, I'm still trying to retain my product at the same price. I'm not trying to retain sell it too high. But if you look at it, trying to see that, oh, I think Mickey did a good job, still give us a lot of discount in the set. I did. I still ended up giving enough discount on that set. All right, so please bear with me. I beg. The situation in the country is a mess. All right, so also I now have a blog. All right, my blog is actually mickeytalks.com, www.mickeytalks.com. The blog centers mostly on skincare, anything about skincare talks, most of the flops we get to have on skincare, the do's and don'ts, the tips. Most times you'll be getting most of the tips from me. And on that blog we have a forum. Forum is where we talk, like Amebo section. You know, I like Amebo very well. So the Amebo section about your skin, about what you think you need to know about a particular thing you've probably been doing wrong, right? You probably be getting wrong. The things you're supposed to even get in the market for a certain product, or you probably want to make something, you want to find out how to do it. You can actually do it on forum. You can actually ask her on forum. Now that forum is not strictly limited to only Mickey. I'm not the only one going to reply you. So many people in all walks of life will definitely reply you on that forum. All right, but be rest assured that this blog is just up and kicking. I think I have like 3 or 4 articles. I've not done enough, but I will this week. I'll definitely put out enough. Reason why? Because of our set in porcelain oil, which is actually out in stock right now, so you can actually come get the set. So for my blog, my new blog, which centers on skincare, be rest assured you're going to get the best. Right? Yes, I'm not I'm not making mouths. I'm just telling you the truth. Be rest assured you're going to get the best, because I took my time to make sure I research on most of this. I have to make a research on most of it, put it out, and definitely give you enough advice on it. That's the skincare tips. And also for the forum, I will also contribute in most of the questions that are going to be asked. Yes, and you can ask me, hey, Mickey, if I want to make a cream, should I put this? Should I put this? We'll definitely reply you on the forum. The forum now Amebo forum. Amebo. All right. So be rest assured you will get Mickey. You get to speak to Mickey, the raw Mickey, on her blog. I'll be raw. I won't keep it. I won't try and sugarcoat. I don't like sugarcoating, but my customers are trying to get me to sugarcoat. I can't. All right. So on the blog there is no sugarcoating. You hear it and you hear me say it the way it is. All right. So go on www.mickeytalks.com. Yes, it's new, so you probably get 3 or 4 articles for now, but this week we're definitely gonna get enough. I'll be pushing it out. I tend to upload every day, so most of the tips are every day. Before now I couldn't had to hold it for now because of our porcelain oil. But everything is now in stock, so you definitely get, if you're getting a set of our porcelain oil, the mini set super whitening, you get it. If you want single pieces of porcelain oil, 200 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter, 10 liters, 5 liters, they are all available. All right, so let's get back to our questions. Okay, but I have mostly compliments here from Geraldine Njoko. Mickey, thank you so much, my love. Thank you, honey. You're welcome. Another question from Fida Undoro. Thank you. You're welcome, honey. Okaka blessing. I'm trying to log in, but I can't. Trying to log into where? And you have to find out probably the way you're putting your probably www. I don't know which of the part you're trying to log in, but the website is up and running, so you should be able to log in. Shouldn't be having problem in it. Not Mickey Talks. I know she's probably going to my website to shop. She Maria, my Sherry, my darling, I'll be coming to Lagos to visit you. Good for you. I hope you are coming with money. Don't just come and make me sit down. Not you understand? I like money. Anyways, just kidding. All right, we got a question from Gold Kasarine. Try to comment. Love you, babe. Thank you, Sugar. Ojumola Winnie. Hello, nice video and informative. You look rounder and fuller. Rounder and fuller, like big boobs, you know. Anyways, thank you for the compliment. People will not kill me now. Now they know who round, who food. Kemi Mercy, second to comment. Okay. Clarissa Banta, hello Mickey, I'm first to comment. Really? Is that like a competition? Anyways, Fetia Oreoluwa, Mickey, your skin is so beautiful and you didn't tell us the price. The price for the caramel set. I don't know if I'll be able to remember the price. I think it's like 18,000 thereabouts. That's a set. I think so. Most times, most of these prices, they're not in my head. I don't keep them. Unique deco items. Trying to order. I need assistance. Trying to order from where? Unique deco. Girl, I'm trying to order to try your pets for the first time. What pets? Special one. Mickey, please. I have seen some low budget IV. Can you kindly make a review on them? Because most of number is the expensive IV. In terms of glutathione IV, it's better to always go for the expensive one. Low budget IV, I don't advise it. I don't. Because you can't get a glutathione IV for 5,000, 7,000, 10,000. No, I won't advise it. That's just the truth. Once it's low budget, I don't advise it because you're putting this into your bloodstream. On the skin, is still even good though. This is your bloodstream. I don't advise it though. Anyways, it's your choice. If you feel you can afford the low budget, then you can try it out. Might actually end up being good. Who knows? All right. So Amanda Lucky. Hi Mickey. Please can you prescribe a very good cream for stubborn skin? No, I will not. Reason be that for stubborn skin, there are so many creams that do not. It's not particular that it has to be a particular cream that is for stubborn skin that I will prescribe for you. I don't know what you want the cream to do for you. Right, we don't know, and we don't know if you're dark skin, you probably want to maintain, or you want to glow, or you want to lighten. You didn't say. You just said for stubborn skin. It doesn't work that way. All right, Atunora Vera, you are really excelling in your work. Nice work. Congratulations. Thank you very much, ma'am. Gladys Chinwe, how much is it? How much is what? Nice work, my madam. Can one use it on the skin too? Because I notice cream don't work on my skin anymore. Can one use what on the skin? Most times people should put it in just put it probably in slash or a mark so I get to know exactly what you guys are talking about. Most times it's not always easy when you get to ask questions and we don't get to see what you're talking about. Okay. Okay, so Linda Offo, yes Mickey, wear your glasses more often. Same advice my ophthalmologist gave me before I started using one of your highly recommended supplements, which is Phyto. Okay, this supplement has tremendously improved my vision because I currently only have to wear my glasses when driving just for precautionary purposes. Now the year now, I'm gonna go get Phyto astaxanthin or astaxanthin. Grammar bad. But anyways, I know the supplement you're talking about and it's lovely, so you guys can go and get it. Okay, Jacobs, Mickey Skincare, do you send your products to the United States? Yes, we send all over the world. We do. okay, except for Italy, which is actually restricting people from importing. You can import, but it shouldn't be much, like maybe 1 or 2 products. That's odd. So Adiola Delas, or Diaz, Mickey, I couldn't get what she's saying. Mickey, okay, I see. I think it's a compliment. Okay, Smith, should the cortisone cream be used nightly after applying the peeling oil, or should be applied on Monday morning? What do you mean by Monday morning? Meaning every Monday morning you not apply the cortisone cream? No, this is it. Once you finish peeling or probably applying all your peel now, you know you are meant to peel consecutively for 3 days. All right, so you apply, let's say for example you start peeling probably in the morning by 10 a.m. you apply it 3 times, 10 minutes interval. Every 10 minutes interval you apply it all over your body. Then you wait 10 minutes, you apply again. You wait 10 minutes, you apply again. That's 3 times for that day. All right, now for the second day you're going to start by 10 a.m. that you started the first usage. 10 a.m. 3 times that day. The third day, the same thing. That's what you're going to do. So after that, during that process, you can scrub if you want to scrub. But now the scrub you should get should be a scrub that you know is a whitening scrub, and you should not over scrub. The reason why I'm advising you scrub is, this is it. The scrubbing makes it easier for the peel to come off on time. That's what we noticed in terms of peeling. It makes it easier for the peel to come off on time. Very easy. Because once you scrub with a very effective scrub, once you've peeled, you notice that it's opening before you know the peel are already shaka. I don't know the grammar to say. I don't know how to say, but it's already rough all over your edges. So it's better to always, reason why I advise you start peeling on time, because sometimes some skin gets stuck with the peel. Sometimes it won't peel, so it ends up darkening that area and it gets stuck. You don't want that to happen to your skin, so it's better to always get the peel and start doing it quickly. All right, so once you start using your scrub on it, you notice it's already opening those parts for you to start falling off like scales. Start falling off like scales on your skin. All right, and also if you want to use your cortisone cream, you can use your cortisone cream. Yeah, cortisone cream is steroids, so it's way better for you to use it at night rather than during the daytime. All right, but I would prefer you use Vaseline. I would prefer Vaseline. Vaseline is greasy, yes, but you and I know that once you peel, you're supposed to avoid the sun. You're definitely meant to avoid the sun. You shouldn't be walking all over the sun. You should cover your body. Make sure you're fully covered. Avoid the sun and apply your Vaseline very well. That's Vaseline petroleum jelly. It does a very good job. A good job in peeling it off. Very good job. Even if you don't want to scrub, the petroleum jelly, and you can also scrub and still use the petroleum jelly. It's even very easy for the peels to fall off. Very, very easy. Alright, so once you do that, you can still use, if you want to use porcelain oil, you can use porcelain oil during that period if you want. You can use anything you want during that period, but the product should not be too harsh, because once it's too harsh, it starts giving you some black dots on your legs. You don't want that. All right, so okay, I think that's where I should stop. I don't want to ask too many questions. I don't want to answer too many questions because some people complain my videos are too long. You can see I'm trying to cut them though it's not favorable for me, because I like to explain. Someone said I talk too much. I'm like a teacher. Why won't I talk? I like talking, but in person I don't talk. That's the funniest thing. I only talk to people I parole with, except my customers will come. Some of they like to trouble me. They'll make me talk, but I like it when they trouble me and make me talk. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video, and please, you guys should follow, subscribe, and share my videos. All right, please do that, because we're going to be having promos soon enough. So you need to share so people get to have the promo as well. They get to find out when we're on promo. All right, so I'll see you guys. Bye.